Hey there, beautiful souls. Today we're diving into the world of morning motivational affirmations. Now, if you're unsure what that means, don't worry. I'll break it down for you in the easiest way possible. Just imagine starting your day not with that dreaded alarm clock, but with empowering words that lift you up and set a positive tone for everything that follows. Sounds great, right? So let's kick things off. Why are affirmations so powerful? Well, they impact your mindset, help build your self-love, and even boost your endurance throughout the day. Think of them as mini pep talks you give yourself. You're literally rewiring your brain to believe in the amazing person that you are. Now, if you're a beginner to this whole affirmation thing, don't fret. I'm going to guide you through the process of creating your own and practicing them daily, and we'll have some fun along the way. Ready? Let's do this. First, let's focus on self-love. It's all about embracing who you are, flaws and all. It can be tough, especially with social media showing us those picture-perfect lives. But remember, you are uniquely you. Start your morning with something like, "I love and accept myself just as I am." Feel how that resonates in your heart. You're affirming to yourself that you're enough, exactly as you are right now. Now I want you to pause for a moment and visualize yourself accepting that affirmation. What does it feel like? Is it light? Is it warm? Hold on to that feeling, because that's your power. Next up, let's talk about endurance. Life can throw challenges our way, but affirmation is a way to strengthen your resilience. Try saying, "I am strong, and I can handle whatever comes my way today." Picture running a marathon. Your mind needs to be in it as much as your body does. This affirmation prepares you for life's little hurdles, making you feel prepared for anything the universe has in store. Now, let's combine self-love and strength. Here's a great one. I am capable of achieving my goals, and I believe in myself. Say it with conviction. Repeat it out loud with me. I am capable of achieving my goals, and I believe in myself. Doesn't that just set the tone for conquering your day? So, how do we make affirmations a part of our daily routine? It's super simple. Pick a spot in your morning routine. Maybe while enjoying a cup of coffee or while brushing your teeth. Yes, even then. Just take 5 minutes to recite your affirmations. You can write them down, say them out loud in front of a mirror, or even record yourself and listen back. Find what feels best for you. And listen, don't put pressure on yourself to get them perfect. This is about what resonates with you personally. Feel free to tweak the wording until it feels just right. You want to speak your truth. Check in with yourself throughout the day, too. How are those affirmations reflecting in your actions? Are you staying strong? Are you honoring that self-love? Keep that dialogue going with yourself. All right, let's wrap it up. Remember, affirmations are a journey toward embracing who you truly are. They are a gift you give to yourself every single morning. So here's your call to action. Grab a piece of paper or your phone and jot down 3 affirmations that resonate with your spirit. Go ahead, take a moment to do that. When you finish, I want you to commit to saying them each morning for the next week. By the end of those 7 days, notice how you feel different. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video uplifting or helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Share your affirmations in the comments below. I'd love to hear what works for you. Remember, you're amazing. You've got this, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Stay strong and keep shining.